Hi everyone, I'm Simon and we're here at Jamchester, the UK's biggest professional game jam in Manchester, and we have lots of cool sponsors and supporters, one of whom is Neil, who is from All4Games. So I'm going to get him to introduce himself. Neil, so just tell us a bit about who you are and who you work for.
Hey, so yeah, my name's Neil, and I'm from Channel 4's publishing arm for games, All4Games. So we're just kind of here to scope out some of the talent, basically, and just see what's kind of getting made over the weekend.
So you've now started publishing your own games based on Channel 4 properties, but you've also started quite recently publishing just whatever cool games that you find and publishing them as any other publisher would. But
basically, yeah, so what we're trying to do is curate and kind of find some of the best independent and new IP, basically, that we can find and promote in the same way that Channel 4 does with independent TV and independent film. So we just want to be the games channel, basically. So we're going to find some new IP that's not Channel 4 related.
So what you've released a few games already, original games. What have you released so far this year?
So one of our biggest titles released was Super Arclight, which was a small team based up in Glasgow, which has done phenomenally well. It's a really simplistic, nice little puzzle game that got Editor's Choice from Apple. It's featured in the New York Times as one of the best games to play on your iPhone. It's done really well, Super Arclight.
Yeah, I saw it highlighted on the App Store and I thought that was pretty impressive, and sort of advertised in lots of different places. So obviously you're getting some traction with All4Games already. What's your sort of USP as a publisher? Why are you the best person to publish my game?
So I guess what our kind of angle is that Channel 4 as a brand it's a very strong brand, basically. So we're coming from a position of strength already, and we already have a very large audience and a kind of people that associate quality with the Channel 4 brand. So if you're looking to stand out on the app stores, being under our banner can only help. That's kind of our angle with it. We want to use the media clout that we've built up over the last few decades with Film 4 and Channel 4 and all the different quality products we put out, and we want to help, associate games with that, basically.
Cool, it's great to hear, and it's great to hear a new publisher that's really committed to the UK games industry as well. So what do you think of Jamchester so far? You know a little bit about it, you've seen the intro, you've seen a few people starting thinking about ideas. What do you think of it? What do you think of the show so far?
It's pretty impressive so far, I have to say. The turnout is fantastic, and the expected level of quality, like the benchmark seems high so far, so I'm kind of have high expectations for what I'm going to see on Sunday.
Yeah, well, we're hoping you'll see some really good stuff on Sunday, and maybe something to find some talent, publish a game in the future. Maybe not something they've made this weekend, but you'll meet interesting people, new developers and stuff like that. So thanks very much for talking to us, and we'll see you on Sunday.
Looking forward to it.
Thank you.